Pepakura is a Japanese technique for creating three-dimensional objects using paper or cardstock. These builds can be complex and highly detailed, from fictional characters to everyday objects or architectural sculptures. The word Pepakura comes from Japanese and means paper art. The big advantage of this method is that it turns digital 3D models into flat patterns you can cut, fold, and glue. So at the end, you get a real-world object based on the original 3D model. Pepakura is different from origami. In origami, you don't cut the paper and you build the model without scissors or glue. The core challenge is to create the figure from a single sheet. By contrast, Pepakura uses printed templates that you cut, fold, and glue together. The Pepakura technique blends art and technology, and in most cases you'll need glue, rulers, scissors, a craft precision knife, and a few specialized tools to achieve a cleaner, more precise finish. There are many programs you can use for Pepakura, but in this course we'll focus on the following. First, Pepakura Designer, which lets you load, unfold, make basic edits, and print the flat patterns. Second, Metasequoia, an easy-to-learn 3D modeling tool for handling and editing 3D files. Third, in the more advanced lessons, we'll bring in additional tools like Blender, Mesh Mixer, Windows 3D Builder, and artificial intelligence tools to convert 2D into 3D or generate 3D models from scratch using a prompt. In Pepakura, the original 3D model is broken down into flat pieces that are then printed. That's why it's essential to understand how 3D models are represented on your computer. First, we have points, which are the places where lines start and connect, forming polygons. Polygons enclose areas called faces, and you can apply colors or textures to these faces, better known as materials. The more polygons and faces an object has, the sharper it will look, but it will use more of your computer's resources and can be harder to build. So, to summarize, a 3D model is represented by the sum of its points, lines, polygons, faces, and materials. The workflow you'll learn in our course is use Metasequoia to load and prepare the 3D models if necessary, bring them into Pepakura Designer, unfold the model, print the patterns, and then build the object using the materials of your choice. This is Lesson 1. Subscribe so you don't miss our lessons in your language. If you find value in this content, you can thank us with a super thanks or become a channel member. And if you'd like to get in touch and share 3D models, you can join our Telegram group.